Welcome to Arcivate's tips and tricks for invoice processing. Back again with My Invoices, we're looking at requests for informations. I've received one here, and here is the email where I've received that request for information. I can see from which supplier we're talking about. It's a 3G invoice, and if I want to go and see what the task is, I click on the task URL. I'm taken straight into My Invoices, shown the image of the invoice along with all the data collated. And if I click into comments, here I can see the question I'm being posed. It's asking me, am I the approver for this supplier? Well, yes, for 3G I am. I am the approver. I hit OK, and that task is removed from my action, and I have sent it back to the relevant contact to tell them the notification, and everything is completed. And it will all be tracked inside the audit file. How simple was that? Join us again for more tips and tricks from Arcivate.